Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Comparisons. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Margin question. What adjectives or words are used here to show shape, size and temperature? Answer: shape, square, round, grouped, straight. Size: big and small. Temperature: cool and warm. English workshop. First question. List all the adjectives in the poem. Use the comparative form of at least 8 of them to write new comparisons. 2 of them have been given as examples. Adjectives: fast, big, fierce, sour, dry, square, cool, noisy, strong, hard, dark, tall, crooked. First, faster than the wind. Second, slower than a tortoise. Third, bigger than a dinosaur. Next, smaller than an ant. Fierce than a tiger. Gentle than a lamb. Cooler than an ice, busier than a bee, stronger than an elephant, harder than a diamond, darker than a coal, taller than a mountain. Second question. List all the nouns in the poem. Find a suitable adjective other than the ones given here for each of the nouns and write meaningful similes for at least 8 of them. For example, as yellow as a lemon. Nouns: spaceship, snail, dinosaur, nail, tiger, lamb, lemon, jam, desert, sea, house, pea, cave, toast, road drill, host, ox, kitten, rock, mitten, tunnel, moon, midnight, noon, giant, elf, path. As sharp as a nail, as brave as a tiger, as timid as a lamb, as sweet as a jam, as lovely as a desert, as blue as the sea, as solid as a rock, as soft as a feather. Next question. Form groups of 6 to 8. Think of similes using different objects. For example, dry as land, wet as a puddle. Now try to put together the similes to make a poem with rhyming lines. Soft as velvet, hard as diamond. White as milk, black as crow. Next question. Write the pairs of rhyming words. Answer: snail, nail, lamb, jam, sea, pea, toast, ghost, kitten, mitten, moon, noon, midnight, giant, self, elf. Next question. Start a collection of idiom with comparisons. Use the following categories. First, idioms with colors. As black as crow, as white as paper, as red as blood, as blue as sky, as green as grass, as pink as rose, as brown as chocolate, as yellow as mango. B. Idioms with animals, as cunning as a fox, as honest as a dog, as agile as a deer, as fast as a cheetah, as tall as a giraffe, as slow as a tortoise, as heavy as an elephant, as strong as an ox, as fatty as a hippo. C. Idioms with objects, as black as coal, as fresh as flower, as long as road, as strong as wind, as sweet as honey, as soft as wool. Next question. Given below are some idiomatic comparisons with like. Can you guess their meanings? Look them up in a good dictionary. You won't find them under like. Which words will you look up to find these comparisons? Like a bull in a china shop, meaning doing something too carelessly that damages things. Next, like a cat on a hot tin roof, meaning very restless or anxious. Next, like a red rag to a bull, meaning something that will cause an anger or violent reaction. Next, like a cat that stole the cream, meaning very pleasant about something you have achieved. Next, like water off a duck's back, meaning not having any effect on the person being criticized. Next, memory like a sieve, meaning forget things easily and quickly. Next question. Using your imagination, write more comparisons using like. Like a dewdrop on a petal of rose, like a fish out of the water, like a thorn in the heel, like a bird in a gilded cage, like a dog with a bone, like a kid in a candy store, like a rainy day in a desert.